ECI to collect death data electronically for faster updation, make voter slips user-friendly. And the Election Commission of India has introduced another reform for purifying electoral rolls faster and in a better way. The poll body will now obtain death registration data electronically from the Registrar General of India. So far, a family member had to file Form 7 for deletion of the name of the voter who had passed away. Explaining this, an official said that sometimes the family could not fill the form on time. But now, we will get the information directly from the Registrar General of India. As soon as a person with a voter ID is dead, we can get the details and update the roll accordingly after verification, they said, adding anonymity. The ECI, in a statement, said that they will obtain death registration data electronically from the Registrar General of India in line with Rule 9 of the Registration of Electors Rules, 1960 and Section 35B of the Registration of Births and Deaths Act, 1969 as amended in 2023. This will ensure that the Electoral Registration Officers (EROS) receive timely information about registered deaths. This will also enable booth-level officers (BLOS) to verify the information through field visits, without waiting for a formal request under Form 7, the ECI said. This initiative is among the reforms the poll body has introduced since Ganesh Kumar has taken the charge as the Chief Election Commissioner (CEC). The steps taken by the ECI are aimed at improving the accuracy of electoral rolls and making the voting process more convenient for citizens. And the ECI is also aiming to make voter information slips VIS user-friendly with modified design. The serial number and part number of the voter will now be displayed more prominently, with increased font size, making it easier for voters to identify their polling station and for polling officials to locate their names in the electoral roll efficiently, the statement added. And the Commission has also directed that all BLOS, who are appointed by the EROS under Section 13b2 of the Representation of the People Act, 1950, be issued standard photo identity cards to ensure that citizens can recognize and interact confidently with BLOS during voter verification and registration drives. Swipe left for next video. NAN is the first interface between the voters and the ECI in performing election-related duties. It is important that BLOS are easily identifiable to the public while conducting house-to-house visits. NAN latest blogs.